So I select my plan and then come to the plan sections, and then I want to create a circle, right?
Right.
And just check this out. What the circle, the outer circle diameter is, radius is. Okay. If they check this out, what the outer circle diameter is, one second.
Outer
The
circle is
circle diameter
100.
is 100. So first of all, what you do? First of all, make it a circle first. Okay.
Okay.
This is your circle, and then also make the inside circle, right? Both two
Yes.
circles are you made here. And after
Adding.
that, yeah, just see that.
Sorry.
After that, you
Yeah.
can mark their dimensions. If you
Okay.
have a radius is 100, then what you do? Your diameter is 200, right?
200. Right.
Okay. And then what's the radius you got at this small circle? You calculate it?
No, I didn't calculate. I
Yeah.
just go.
Because in this case, we don't have this circle. I just created, but this is not created by this way. I do this is and delete it. Okay, because I in
Okay.
this case this is my tangent circles, right? Then what you do? First of
Right.
all, select the right line, and then choose the quadrant points. This is your quadrant points.
Right.
Make this quadrant points right here, quadrant to quadrant. This will be specified the quadrant points. Okay, and then close this.
Yes.
Okay, this will be closed. After that, we have a circle. In this case, so first of all, select the circle in this section to this. Okay. In this case, we learn two things. One thing also because in this case we have the tangent position, right? So first of all, what
Yes.
you do one thing. You create the circle. Okay.
Yes.
Create your circle anywhere. After that, okay. After
Yes.
that, you assign the circle dimensions. What the circle dimension is?
I think 20. I want.
20 radius to 40 diameter, right?
Right.
And I also noticed two one thing is your if you select this line and after
Yes.
that paste the control and select this circle, this both the circle and lines are connected, right?
Okay.
If
Right.
you see that, if you have to select the two items, then here we have the some properties right here, and then you can make your relations between them, and then you see that
Okay.
this line is tangent of this circle. What you do, just
Okay.
click on tangent, and this will
Okay.
work.
Oh, okay.
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 Same way you can do for this line also. Click this portion,
Okay.
and after this portion,
Okay.
okay, and then make a same tangent
Um,
line.
okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, same
Okay.
work do is in these three formats, and then also for center circle,
Okay.
which one we created right here. Okay,
Yes. Good.
if I
Yeah.
create the
Yeah.
not this, I just create a circle, and then I want to create the circle right here,
Right.
and this is your work. Create the circle, right? So you can
Right.
create a circle also.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Other thing you can also easily do that by using of this way. I also show you dimension constant. How can we use your geometrical constant? Okay, this is called the geometrical constant, which one I use here. Okay, to make
Okay.
between them the relationships. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this will be shown. Then firstly I talk about the geometrical constant. What the geometrical constant is true. Okay. Then come to the
Okay.
functions. I just teach a geometrical concept first. If we have a line, this to this, and then again, I just click it, and then I make the line at other portion, this to this, and then I want to join to these 2 points, right?
Yeah.
Because these 2 point is not joined. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then what you do for this purpose, we use a geometrical constant.
Okay.
Then what you do?
Okay.
First of all, select this point.
Okay.
After that, press the control button and select this one. And then what you do, you can use the merge option. Merge means
Okay.
that you can merge these 2 points. If you click the merge these 2 points, then what will be happen? These two lines will be do.
Merge.
And then
Okay.
what they do, if you merge it, then if you move on this line, then this point also moved
Okay.
because these are connected right now.
Yes.
Okay. If you do that, this is a called this called geometrical constant. This is called a geometrical constant.
Okay.
So I talk about the geometrical because in these cases we need the geometrical constant. That's why we need the first of all. Okay, but geometrical constant topics is next day, but this is important for IT.
Oh,
Then come to the next one. If you click make the line this way, and if sorry, if you do and make the line at this way, okay. So one
okay.
thing, if you select these options, right, and then you
Yes.
want to show in straight line, in vertical formation, then what you do? Yeah, you can click on the vertical. Then what will
Okay.
happen? This line will convert
Go
into
to
vertical form.
vertical.
Okay. If you have this line and then you want to convert into the horizontal form, just click in it, and this will convert into the horizontal
Mhm.
form. Okay.
Okay.
Same way. I used for this purpose also. If I click on this line and I want to convert into the horizontally, then this will be converted into the horizontally. And if I
Okay.
click on this line and then I want to convert into the vertically, then we click
Yes.
it. This will be make this type of objects.
Okay.
That's clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then if you do one thing, suppose here may I make a circle right here,
Yes.
and then I make a line here anyway.
Yes.
And then I want to make this point to the connect with this point. Then what you do? First of all, select this point
Okay.
and then select this point. And
Okay.
then what you do? Make a merge.
Okay.
Okay. So if you get the points is merged, then you can merge it. If you can't, sometimes we don't have to merge options right here. Okay.
Okay.
I just click this point and this point and
Okay.
do as a merge. Okay, this point is can't be merged because of tangent. Okay, tangent is relation already is built up.
Okay.
Okay, tangent is already built up. That's why this will be shown here to these issues. Okay, suppose
Okay.
here I want to merge these 2 points. The one is this, and second is this.
Okay.
And then we click on the merge option. This will be merged here, right?
Right.
Okay.
The circles.
A circle is also increased by on behalf of this scale. Okay.
Okay.
If you created this line, I just show the plane also by doing this way. I just select this portion and I delete it. And if
Okay.
you created the circle anywhere, right, and then you want to make this circle to be this center line, then what you do? First of all, select the center position. After that, control and select this option. And then what you do? Coincident. Coincident means that this circle share the same center points. Okay.
Okay.
If you have two circles, suppose there you have the two circles right here. This is one circle and this is second circle. This is a small circle right here. And
Right.
if you select both the circles, first of all this circle and after that this circle, and then you want to share the same center point, then what you do? So then we can select here is a concentric.
Okay.
Concentric means that center points are same and this will be created right here.
Okay.
That's clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then come to the next one part is here. If you do one thing, if I create it like this to this line and select it, and if you create it this line to this line, and I just click it, and if you select this both the lines by use of the control, then here we have the option of equal option also. What's the equal option is to?
Yeah. Equal length or
Yeah, make the length is equal.
okay.
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 We can also do something else to this point also. If you click, this is just a geometrical constant if right here to this portion. And if you create this line to this anywhere, suppose this portion is right here. Okay.
Okay.
I just select this, copy and V.
How
Okay.
we copying that line? Just select that, then
Control
copy.
C and Control V.
Okay, okay, got it.
Right? I select this two
Okay,
line and then I want to make this line is parallel. Okay.
okay,
If you want to do this as a parallel, if you click the parallel, then what they have, these two lines are called as a parallel.
valid.
If
Okay,
if you rotate this line to anywhere, this will be can't be changed. This is always will be parallel to this
valid.
line. Okay,
Okay, okay,
right? This will
right.
always will be parallel to this line. If you
Okay,
make a geometrical constant function is fixed right here. If I move this small circle, then this circle is not can't be moved but scale it. Okay,
okay,
because it's the fixed center points, right? And for this circle, I also can't move it because why? Because this will be fixed. Okay, but this circle I move it. Why? Because this is not fixed. But this line will be shown as a tangent position. Then every time you show here, this will make a tangent, right?
okay, fine.
Alright. Come to the next one is here. If you have the two lines, suppose this my line and this two line, okay,
Okay,
and then I want to make these two lines in same edges, then what you do? Select this both two line,
equal
then
and
not
equal.
a equal use. Here we use a collinear.
Oh, collinear. Okay,
Collinear means that you can start second point to the second line. Okay, I just use these two points, right? This is collinear. Matlab, in same direction we can show this, right?
Okay,
Okay, that. If I make a circle to this, and then after that this, and then I want to convert into same position, then what you do? I select the both.
select both and concentricity or
No,
equal.
I just want them equal. Make
Equal.
them
Okay,
equal means that
equal position.
both are the equal distance there.
Okay, equal diameter. Okay,
Yeah, right. Okay. Same for
okay,
the others. One is to the rectangle. Anything you can want to do here by using this way. You use a rectangle. My mouse is not working. And then this is my rectangle, right? And then I want
right.
to make my equal. Then what you do? Select this
Select
rectangle first, and then control, paste the control, then you select the multiple line. And if you click on the equal, then what's happened? Then both are the equal,
both are equal. Okay,
right?
right.
Okay, then come to the next way. If I can make something else, suppose I want to make here to the one thing is my circle of this, whatever it is, I don't need here. And then if you need here to make this circle, okay, if you make this circle to this, so this will be not shown. Then what you do? Select both,
Okay,
two, and then make them equal. Equals means that the both are the equal. And then after that, I want to create some arc right here. To the 3 point arc selected here, I just select this 1, 2, 3 and
okay,
make it this portion. Okay, this
okay,
way. But here, this will be intersect, but I want to need here to show in form of tangent.
okay.
Okay, got it.
Select,
Then what you do? First of all, select this circle, and after
then
that,
select the
control,
arc.
here's the control, and select this arc and make
Okay,
them as a
tangent.
tangent, right?
Right.
Same for the other options. You can see them for
Select
do as
the selector.
select one and select two and make them
Control.
tangent,
Tangent.
right? Then
Yes.
this is shown as a perfect tangent right here, right?
Right. Right.
Okay. And you can make this type of thing.
Okay.
Okay, suppose here I want to make same arc in this portion also. Then what we do? If I want to make same arc in this portion, so what we do, we perform this way. First of all, make the arc, then make the relation between them. This is time limited, okay? If I
Okay.
copy this same as it is as the mirror copy, you know about the
Okay.
mirror copy,
Yeah.
okay?
We get the
If you mirror
opposite,
this,
exact opposite.
yeah. If you mirror this thing, then you can also use this. If you find out how can we mirror this part, then you can use here the mirror entities. Here we have the option of mirror entities.
Yes.
Okay. If you click on the mirror entities and then select the entities for the mirror, this is my entity for the mirror, and then
Okay.
mirror about which one? Not this. I just delete this because I want to mirror. And then here click one point and second point.
Okay.
1 second. This will be, I once again, we access will be now shown here. I just make a center point line to this, to this. This is my center point line for the
Okay.
measure the axis, right? Straight.
Right.
Okay. And then what you do, I want to measure this thing by using of this way. Just click on the mirror entities first. Mirror,
Okay.
this is my mirror entities. And after the mirror
Okay.
about, this is my mirror about. Click on the mirror about. And what we got here, here we got this. If you click
Okay.
here, okay, and then once you got here, here we got this.
Okay. And it shows on the left side is little inside. Both are same.
What? Left side
The
is, I think, what you say?
is it is tangent. Yeah. Just the point shows on the circle. Yeah. It's tangent.
Okay. If you, I would need the access for the mayor about it. This is my access for the reference line for the mayor about this access, right? And same as it is will be made here.
Okay.
Okay. If I use a power trim and then I want to power trim it, and then also for this portion, not this, I want to only this. I just like to trim and trim it. Okay, this will be happen. I think this is not make perfectly. Oh, why this will be not make perfect? I may it now. Sometimes this will be also have an issues. Then what you
Okay.
do? Select this and select this on the section of the control and make them tangent. After
Okay.
that, you can create it. Okay. But
Okay.
this will be not occur, but sometimes will be happen. These portions also, if you click this and this will be created.
Okay.
Okay. This is your simple object I created by using of the mirror, trim, and then others way. So yeah.
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll come to the section of the mirror. How can we mirror entities will be shown here. Okay, how can we do the this part like this? Then what you do? If I want to make something to this and this, right? This is my object, right?
Right.
And then I can just created the line of this section, and then this is my mirror line. Okay, this is called my
Okay.
mirror line. I want to make this object same as it is in this direction. Then what we do? For this purpose, we use a mirror entities. First of all, select these entities, right? Both
Okay.
the three lines. And then here, next option is my mirror about. This is a option will be covered. And then select the mirror about lines. If you click it, then what we will got? Here we got this line. Okay.
Okay.
If you click this portion, then this mirror will be created. Right?
Oh, right.
A few, if you want to do one thing, I just want to do as a thing. Suppose I click on the mirror entities and then what we do, select this three portions, and after that I mirror about and then select this line. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, there's a mirror line. Then what we got here, here we got the mirror also of this type.
Okay.
Okay, you can also create this portion. I just move on this portion. Okay. And then if you want to create it between them, then what you do, just select the mirror entities again and select these portions. I selected all and then
Okay.
mirror about and select this. Then this type of thing will be created. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to create the, I want to check this mirror lines, then what we do here? Then for this purpose, I select the mirror or it is select the all objects right here.
Okay.
And mirror about the copies is this and select this portion. Then what we got here, here we got this. Right? You can also mirror about any axis angles, right?
Right.
Okay, just
Okay.
mirror lines of this way. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, come to the next portion is my, if you could show there's a mirror, if I use the line again and I just make the line straight line here, this is my mirror line, right? And
Right.
then if you want to click on the mirror entities and this inside the mirror entities, I select the object first, okay?
Okay.
The line 48, I delete it, okay? And then here
Okay.
we have the option of copy. If
Okay.
I uncheck the copy, then what will happen? I select it. If you uncheck the copy, then what will be happen? If you uncheck the copy and then after that you click this, then what will be happen?
Oh, other one deleted.
Other one is deleted and then other make a only a mirror object, not a copy of the mirror. If you need a copy, then always check the copy symbol.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is the concept for the mirror. Mirror is useful for making something to seem like that, right?
Right.
Okay, good. Now, okay. Next one is called about the linear sketch pattern. Here we have the option is linear sketch pattern. You see that the linear sketch pattern. Inside the
Yes.
linear sketch pattern, we have linear sketch pattern, circular sketch pattern. What they use? If you know about the linear sketch pattern, you know about the linear sketch pattern?
No, I don't know.
You
Just
don't know. Okay, just
linear
I show
to.
you. Okay. I just what we do here. One thing I do, I make some circle right here,
Okay.
and I just make the dimension also. This is
What?
200 by 100.
Okay.
This is my linear. Okay, and then what's
Okay.
we one we two use here to make a circle in between them. Here we make a circle to this circle, and then I use the dimension of the circle is my suppose is 30. Okay, I
Okay.
want to make the multiple pattern inside this rectangle on behalf of this circle. Then what we do? Then you can use a linear
Yes.
sketch pattern. If you click the linear sketch pattern, first of all select the axis is your x-axis, okay, and this is your data,
Okay.
and then here you have the distance between them. So I use a 25.
Okay.
No, it's a 25. I use here the 50. You
Okay.
see that? Do the center point to center point. Here we make a linear pattern.
50
If you
distance.
increase
Okay.
the size, not the 5, I want to need the 5, right? Then this type
Right.
of thing will be created. In
Okay.
this section is X
Okay.
direction. If you need in Y direction also, then what you do? Come to the Y direction option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here we have the Y direction also. Then what
Okay.
you do? 1 second. Here we got the Y direction. Okay. Here we have the degrees also. And then why the
Okay.
Y direction is not working? 1 second. करना तो चाहिए Y direction work. Mhm. 1 second. I think something is tricky. I just select this object first, and then after that, I use a linear sketch pattern.
Okay.
Inside this way, I just align the size here to the 50. Okay,
Yes.
and then I use
Right.
model drive. Okay,
Right.
you can also use a 6. Okay,
Okay.
right, and then next one, if you want to make the same thing in between down direction, you can also make. But in this case, we use two direction one every time. Why direction 2 is not. 1 second, I just check this out. Why direction 2 is not working? Direction 2 is worked. I think something is happened to this. 1 second. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think something will be happen. Okay. I just want to second. I think I just click
Yeah.
one and make this one. Select this portion, and then click on the linear sketch pattern. I
50.
just where not 50 is 8 to 100, I think.
150.
Okay, we make multiple. Okay, that's good. That's why this will be shown. Okay, then y-axis, why the y-axis not showing? Okay,
Not
sorry.
sure.
Okay. I just got it. What we do here. Okay, it's my mistake. Okay, click on these options right here, and then if you select the linear sketch pattern, here
Yes.
what we do here, I select this distance between them,
Okay. Yes.
and then I use this 5,
5. Yes.
and then same one I want to go to the x-axis. But first of all, we need to be right. Here's the number of figure.
Okay.
If you write the number of 2, then this is y-axis value. And then I
Okay.
want to just turn it in form of 25.
Okay.
The turn 25 is not working. This is use of 50. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
But this is gone upside, but I don't want to downside. Then what you do, just reverse it.
Okay.
Okay. And then I
Yes.
want to say, I think T is mapped right here. And
Right.
this will be patterns will be mapped here.
Okay.
Okay. And if you click on OK, then what will you got? Here we got this patterns.
Okay.
That's clear?
Yes. Clear.
Good. If I make some holes between them, let's just create this to
Mm.
this rectangle, apply the dimensions 200 by 100, and then come to this portions, and then I want to make here as a circle in between them, and circle distance is my 10. I just apply the dimension first. Is 20 is my diameter. And then one thing I want to do here, to what we do here, I just dimension select here the dimension. First of all, select this portion to this point
Okay.
and make this distance between them is my 20.
Okay.
Okay. Same way I do for this point to this point
What's
and
one?
make them
Okay.
distance between them is also a 20.
Can be. Okay.
Okay. And after
Okay.
that, I want to create the multiple holes between them. Okay. Suppose some
Okay.
plates I make here. So what we do here, I just select this circle and then use a mirror linear sketch pattern. If you click the linear sketch pattern, this will be created, right? And then I
Okay.
just write is 30.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, 30 is 40, I think. Good.
40. Okay.
And here, I just write 5. Okay,
Okay.
here we 5 the 40s, right? And then
Uh,
here the y-axis I just need is 2, 3.
3.
Okay.
Okay.
And then here also I write here is a 40, I think is not a 40 is make better, 30 I
Okay.
use it. Okay. And this
Okay.
will be like this, right? And this
Okay.
is easy way you can create here the multiple holes in the single plates.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that's clear. How can we
Yes.
create these thing types of things right here? Simple. This is simple.
Linear sketch pattern.
Linear
Yes.
sketch. You make a one thing and then make a multiple copies by using of this way on the same distance and equal distance right here.
Right. Okay.
Okay, good. If come to the next portion is just if I create a circle here, I just create a circle here,
Yeah.
and then I just mark as a dimension is my 200, and inside it I want to create one circle is also this a small circle,
Yes.
and this dimension is my suppose okay. And then what you want to do here, I want to create this portion and here two. It's okay. One is small circle, right? Okay.
Okay.
This date dimension is I take here is a 30. Okay. I want
Okay.
to make other hole in the circular direction of this circle. Then how can we make this? This is possible to make this multiple copies by using the linear sketch pattern.
B.
If I want to make the same circle in this direction, in this direction, in this direction.
Make maybe mirror or
Not we use a mirror, not use a linear sketch pattern because linear axis sketch pattern is make the something in form of x axis and y axis, not a circular form.
okay.
Okay, but if you
Okay.
need to make the patterns in circular form, then what you do? In this case, we click on this portion and then have the other options
Okay.
also, linear sketch pattern to circular sketch pattern.
Okay.
Okay, then once you got here, you can click the circular sketch pattern and
Okay.
then select the, so first of all, your object. This is my object right here. Okay,
Okay.
this is my object.
Yes.
Okay, and
Okay.
then what to do?
And
By default,
then
as we selected this point, and then 1 second. Okay, entities is this. Okay, entities. I just delete this and
okay.
select this portion first. And after
Okay.
this, center point is my not this. This is my center point. Okay.
Oh, okay.
First you do, first of all, select the entities for the patterns, and after this, select the points where you want to show this. And then see this, we've got the circular patterns right here. If you
Okay.
increase the circular pattern is 6, then angle will be also the change is the same way. Okay.
Okay.
And this will be divided in equal way. If
Okay.
you click the OK, then once you got here, we got the 6 hole. Let's
Okay.
click.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Then we can start with the My Sketch module. You find out the sketch module, your workbook in your student panel. You got the workbook in PDF,
And
solid
no,
modeling workbook.
I didn't got that.
You have a solid modeling workbook, right? And the solid modeling workbook you open, your first page will be the sketch module example. First 1, 2, and 3. 3 pages are the sketch module examples, right?
Okay. Right.
I just show you one thing. Is 1 minute. Yeah. There we have this type of examples right here. You see that? By using of this way, you can create here. What you want to create here is just create this type of modules, this type of examples.
Okay.
One of them I created this. This one I created right here. Okay, for the showing how can we create this. So for this
Okay.
purpose, we use a new file. I just create a new file for this part. So just file option, go to the new, select the
Okay.
part, and then click on OK.
Okay.
Okay, select the plane first and then start the sketch. Okay, and then
Okay.
one thing I do, just show this, what's the diameter is. 1 minute.
And I have a question. If we want to save the file, we can save anywhere in the folder, right? Oh,
Yeah, you can click on the save the file and then save it anywhere. You have make your folder is different way. Better to make your own folder and then save it here. And as is well to said, this is a SolidWorks part file, SLDPAT file. Okay, extension is this. If you
okay.
click on the right, this is SolidWorks part file, and this is always open on SolidWorks sheet. Okay,
Mm.
if I want to do, uh, I just small it and then want to show its size. Also do this. Okay, yeah, you can see that
Yes.
this will be your example, right? And then I want to make this to this. Then the first of all, what you do, start with this portion. Here we have to circle start here. Okay. Then what we do, select make the circle of first thing is your this outer circle diameter is 60. Inner circle, no, so the four,
20.
this is for the 3 holes. This is how
20.
yeah, 6 hole for after 10 and pitch circle diameter is 43, right? And this is T hole for 26, right? Then what you
Yes.
do, first of all, create a circle of outside and then create a circle of inside. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then what we do here, first of all, make a dimension of outside circle is my
See?
60 and then inside circle diameter is my 26. So select it
26.
and then click make the 26, right?
Yes.
And then I want to create this 6 circle. First of all, I make here one circle also in this between
Okay.
them. This is pitch circle, right? And then I
43.
make the dimension is 43. Okay. Pitch circle diameter is my 43.
Yes.
I just write the 43. Okay. And then
Yes.
one thing you can also do here, if you select this circle and
Yes.
click on right, then here we have the option to construction geometry. If you click the construction geometry, Then what
Okay.
will happen? This will be shown in the dash line form.
Okay.
Okay. And this is this way. I don't need a circle right here. I just want the construction geometry right here. Okay.
Okay.
But into the construction geometry also. Okay. Come to the circle here. And then I want to make one circle in this section on this quadrant position. This is my circle, right? And then
Yes.
I make a dimension is my trend. Okay. Make is the
Yes.
dimension is trend.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, I want to make here as a six circle.
Linear sketch
So
pattern.
then what we use here to the
In the
not a
sketch
linear
pattern,
circular
that is
sketch.
circle sketch pattern.
And first of all,
The circle.
1 second, I select this portion, and after this, click this, and then select the circular sketch patterns. And then what we do, one thing we need here to how many circle is 6. To write here the circle distance is 6, right? And then
Right.
click OK. This will be
Okay.
made. After
Yes.
that, I want to make other with this and this portion. Then how can we make this thing? To how can we do that? For this purpose, we use here to one thing. mm, mm, to one thing you can use here to make a circle outer anyway. Make first circle and then
Okay.
make other circle. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you can take to 44 and inside is 26 because 3 holes of 26 is already says to then mark up dimension first.
Right.
Was the 46, right? 44.
What is
Okay,
it?
just write a 44. And next one inside is
26.
23. Correct?
26, right?
Just check this out. 26 is correct. Okay. Hey, I make this two circle. Then
Yes.
after that, what you do? One thing you can do here to I just select this two one,
Equal.
and then you can also copy it, mirror it, whatever it is. I just copy and paste
Mhm.
and then move on it to any direction right here. And then
Okay.
one thing we do here, what we do here, I just make a center line between them. Okay.
Okay.
Just this point to this point, and then I
Okay.
just make a center line between them, and
Okay.
then select it. And what we do, just assign a symbol, and I just say that here we have the distance between 40 to 30, right? Here
Right.
we have got the distance between 42, and in this section we got the 30, right?
Right.
First of all, I assign two things. One thing is my to this distance to this is 90. So what we do, select this line to this point. Okay, this center.
Okay.
And what we write here is distance is my
90.
90. Got it?
Right.
Now, then what we do, I just select this point
Okay.
and then I want to do one thing also. Here we also make a central line for this purpose.
Okay.
I select this and then make a central line to this. And then what we do, I just click on the dimension, first of all, this to this point,
Okay.
and then uh, I just uh, sometimes this will be open. I just go to normal. Here, this will be
33.
happen is my 30. Okay, so
30.
I
Yeah.
just click on the 30 distance. And the next one is you do 1.2. I just 1 second. Dimensions, I just click on this portion.
Okay.
After that, I click on this point,
Okay.
and this
40.
distance is my 42. Okay,
40. Okay.
so right here is 42. Just check
Okay.
this out. Okay, this will be called 42 and 30. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Then come to the next portion is here. I want to make this arc. And this arc radius is 23, right?
23.
Then what you do? First of all, select the 3 points arc. Okay.
Okay.
Any points you select here to this, and then make this type of thing, right?
Okay.
And then first of all, make its tangent. Yeah, you make first of all is a dimension. I just select this and then make a dimension is 23.
23. Okay.
So I write here is a 23. Okay. And then
Okay.
second of this, what you do select this portion, and after the control, shift control, and then select this portion, and then
Okay.
make it a tangent.
Tangent.
Same
Okay.
way, you can select here. You can select
Okay.
this portion, and then just
Tangent.
select this portion, and after this, select this portion, and make as a tangent also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this will be created.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, what we do, I want to create this line, or this line is also a tangent line or not.
Yes.
I want
Tangent.
this is also a tangent, so I will use a straight line here, and then make a line to this
Okay.
point to this anyway.
Okay.
Click this. Okay. I just click, and then what we do, just make a relation between them. So select this portion first. After
Okay.
that, I'll select this portion first, and after this, select this. And then what you do, make a tangent.
Tangent. Okay.
Right? Same way you can do here.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, select this portion,
Circle.
then control and select this portion and make a tangent again.
Tangent. Okay.
Right? That's
Right.
good. After that, we make one thing. We used to make this type of thing. Then here we have the radius. Okay. Then what you
Yes.
do, select the 3 points are. First of all, select here. Anyway, you can
Okay.
select and then make this portions, right? This,
Okay.
anything. Okay. Click it.
Okay.
And then what we do, first of all, I assign the radius. Radius is
Dim.
105. So use a dimension and then
Okay.
click on it. And then write radius is my 105.
Five.
And after that, make a relation between them, tangent relations, right? Then
Yes.
what you do,
Select the circle. The big circle.
select first circle. After this, select the second
Okay.
arc. Uh,
Okay.
then select the second arc. And then what you do, make a tangent relation.
Tangent.
Okay. And then
Yes.
after that, you can select same way you can do it. Okay. Just do here to same way. First of all, select this circle
Okay.
and then select this arc and make them as a tangent.
Okay.
Okay. After that,
Okay.
this will be created.
Okay.
Okay. If you need to save it, then what you do, just click on the save. Control S is the shortcut for the save. Click
Okay.
on the save and then save each and every part you can make sure. And name as a
Okay.
mark and then file extension is SLDPRT, SolidWorks part file.
Okay.
That's okay. Where any folder you can save here. That's clear how to make this thing?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So then what you do? Go to the search the sketch model. If you can't find out, then you can message me. I send this PDF to you also. Okay.
Okay. I
Can't find
will
out
look.
in student panel. If you can't find out the sketch module PDF in your student panel, then you can message me. Right?
So I want to go to home, right?
You want to go to your student panel. You have a student panel?
Yeah, I have training panel. I go to the student panel
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah. Where you can
Then,
connect it by using the join now button, right? Yeah, you
then
can directly say your link of Zoom link.
Zoom link.
So
Yeah,
you
there
can
is.
directly contact by Zoom link. You can't log in your student panel.
Okay, training. There is a training material books.
One
Right.
second, I show you. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
1 second. Just pause.